Good day. I am Anmol Goyal, a student of class 10th at DLDAV Model School, Pitampura. I would like to thank the Corona warriors who are fighting this pandemic day and night selflessly. But unfortunately, many of them are getting martyred at the front line by the wrath of this virus. So I feel immense pleasure to present in front of you the Corona Glove, a very low cost and effective way to prevent virus spread among the Corona warriors, which may prove as a fatal blow to the current going pandemic. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the Corona Glove, a simple yet effective tool to fight coronavirus. Its main objective is to eliminate the risk of getting affected by COVID-19 due to touching any surface with hand. The Corona Glove has two parts. First, the piping system. It supplies the sanitizer from storage compartment to the glove and it is strapped to the wrist to prevent any hindrance in movement of our hand and accidental damage to the junction. It may look pretty insignificant at first, but it plays an important role in optimizing the cost of the glove, which we will talk later. Second, the glove. It is a dual-layered regular glove which the health workers use, but it is hollow from inside and has pores on the palm side, from which the sanitizers flows the surface of the glove, thus preventing any chance of infection due to touch. It has an unusually long sleeve to prevent any hindrance caused by the piping system in the movement of our hand. The sanitizer flows between the layers of the glove, thus providing protection to the hands of the wearer from the harmful effects of overuse of sanitizer. Now, coming to its pricing. This glove is designed for high performance and cost effectiveness, both at the same time. The glove is made up of nitrile and going by the market price, here the price of a pair of nitrile glove is estimated to be Rs 10. But due to double layering, the price would approximately rise by 3/4 of the original price, that is Rs 17.5 per pair. Now, coming to the piping system, here a small pipe from the glove is joined with the other pipe at the junction, and this pipe is connected to the container. As this junction can be used multiple times, this minimizes the cost. So, we may take the price of the piping system per pair of glove to be around Rs 5. Now, coming to the sanitizer, we may use sodium hypochlorite, which is a very low cost sanitizer. 1 liter of sodium hypochlorite is mixed with 10 liters of water to make the sanitizer. According to the market, the cost of 1 liter sodium hypochlorite can be taken approximately Rs 30. And assuming that 2 liters of sanitizer gets used up in a day by a doctor, then the cost of the sanitizer per pair of glove would be around Rs 5. Now, if we calculate the relative cost of the glove, it would come around Rs 30 per pair, which is really affordable.